Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore the updates to the decimation feature in MeshInspector. For this example, we've created a cube with 15,000 vertices and 31,000 triangles. Decimation is the process of reducing the number of structural elements in an object while maintaining the overall shape. Let's activate the decimation tool. When the control window appears, you'll notice a new stop criterion, Target Triangles. By selecting this, you can set the minimum number of triangles in the selected region after decimation. For this example, I'll set it to 5,000. Another way to control decimation is by setting a percentage. For instance, if I set it to 10%, the number of target triangles will automatically adjust to 3,000. Once that's done, click on Apply. You'll see the number of triangles change in the information section. We can see that the number of triangles is now equal to 3002. We also have the tolerance stop criterion, which was available in MeshInspector before the update. This criterion lets you stop decimation when the estimated distance deviation from the original mesh exceeds a set value. For example, if I set the tolerance to 0.05 millimeters and click Apply, we end up with just 44 triangles. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@meshinspector.com.